In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Microsoft OneNote. If you're trying to remove a notebook from OneNote on your desktop, this is a quick process, but it's important to understand what's actually happening. In OneNote, the option you'll use is called Close this notebook. That means you're removing the notebook from your OneNote app view on that computer, so it no longer appears in your list of open notebooks. This is the step most people are looking for when they want to get rid of a notebook from their workspace. To begin, open the OneNote app on your desktop and make sure the notebook you want to remove is currently visible. If you have several notebooks open, take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct one. This is especially helpful if you organize school or personal notes in separate notebooks and want to avoid closing the wrong one. Once you're in the app and you can see the notebook, go to the notebook name. This is usually shown in the notebook list or navigation area, depending on your version of OneNote and how your layout is set up. When you find the notebook name, right-click on it. Right-clicking will open a menu with additional options related to that notebook. From that menu, look for the option that says Close this notebook. Click it to continue. As soon as you do that, the notebook will be removed from your current OneNote desktop view. This helps clean up your workspace and makes it easier to focus only on the notebooks you still need. One useful thing to keep in mind is that closing a notebook in OneNote does not necessarily mean the notebook is permanently deleted everywhere. It mainly removes it from the app on your desktop. So if your goal is simply to stop seeing it in OneNote, this step does exactly what you need. If the notebook is stored online or synced through your account, you may still be able to reopen it later if needed. Before closing any notebook, it's always a good idea to make sure you no longer need quick access to the notes inside it. That way, you don't accidentally remove something from view that you still use regularly. And that's it. Open your notebook. In the OneNote desktop app, right-click the notebook name and select Close this notebook. That's the simple way to delete Microsoft OneNote from your active notebook list on desktop.